Hello, my name is Katie Gusky and I have done my project on berry blotch of coffee. I chose this because, like many other people, coffee is a big part of my life and I drink it every day, and I have gotten lucky chances to go and see the places where the coffee is grown and meet the farmers who grow this crop, and I just feel very connected to this issue. And so this is one of the diseases that does affect the coffee plant, and that is why I chose it. And I made a 3D model. And I decided to incorporate coffee into the model actually. So the leaves I made out of coffee filters, and then the brown that you see that I've put on the leaves and the grapes that I used are instant coffee. So like I said, I did make the berries, the coffee berries, out of green grapes, and I painted some of them to make these ripe red colors. So the symptom, which if I haven't mentioned already is the subtopic that I chose, is what you're seeing modeled here. And so I've left a couple of healthy berries so that you can see what they look like unaffected. So here's unripe and here's ripe. And what happens when a plant is affected by berry blotch disease is they start to get these brown lesion types on the berry. And berry blotch specifically does not cause these brown spots in the leaf, but these are two different stages of a larger plant disease, which is, I'm going to try to pronounce this the best that I can, Cercospora coffeecola. I think I'm saying that right. And so you can also see that these brown eye spots on the leaves are something that does come along with the disease. And this type of disease does affect the health of the plant. These are not going to be viable or harvestable. Yes. Not going to be able to harvest to create any coffee products or be of use to the farmers that grow these. And so this can be very economically devastating in more ways than one, because it does spread via spores like we've been discussing in lecture, and this can be very expensive to treat. And so this is definitely a huge problem, and it is something that you might take into consideration if you are a coffee enjoyer as myself. And I think that that is all. So I'll go over the materials again. I just grabbed a stick from outside, did not pull it off of a live plant because I did not want to damage any of them. And so I painted most of my green grapes, and then I hollowed out those spots, put some instant coffee in there. I colored these coffee filters, and I mixed up a thick paste out of the instant coffee to create the brown spots that you see. So yes, I hope that you all enjoyed. Thanks.